Hello, I'm Nikki Eisenhower, and I want to share a mindset motivation with you and share a little bit about what's been going on with me. Now, if you follow my work, if you're a listener of Emotional Badass, you know that I'm all about healing. I mean, that is the drum that I am beating, that we can heal from our childhoods, and we can heal in ways that we cannot even imagine from our pain. I have been trying to get some life insurance for my family. And one of the things that I've had, I believe I've had it since I was born, I can remember my pediatrician talking to me about it, was I've had an irregular heartbeat. And so the insurance company wanted a cardiologist to check out my heart and to tell them what's going on. Now, for the last few years, I've been in Colorado 6 years, it was my intention to heal my heart. I got an EKG yesterday on my heart, and I no longer have an irregular heartbeat. Now think about that for a moment. How did I do that? Well, I've upped my cardio. I walk in this altitude that I now live in. When I grew up at sea level, that certainly strengthens the heart. And I've done some breathing exercises and activities to intentionally work on the heart. Now, some of the science, where's my book I have for you, on the heart comes from this book, The Heart Math Solution. And I know that's weird to have math and heart together. This is an organization that does a lot of science about the heart, that studies the heart. What's healing about the heart? They're in North Carolina if you're interested in learning more about them. Or if you're interested in getting this book, it's The Heart Math Solution. Now, if I have healed my heart through my way of being with myself, what can you heal? What are you healing right now? Do you have ways that you want to heal that you can't imagine how that'll work, how that'll happen, how that can even come to fruition if it's possible? So my mindset motivation today, the mantra is, I heal myself. I heal myself with every breath that I take. I heal myself with every intention that I reframe. I heal myself with healthy hope. I heal myself by leaning into my growth edge. I heal myself every time I meditate. Every time I let something go that no longer serves me, I heal myself. Right now, in this moment, taking a deep breath, allowing new information in, I'm healing myself. What would it be like to hold space for yourself that you can, are, and will heal? Light and love, and I will see you right here next time. Bye-bye.